First log in to your email and search for Gamuda Land Tender Invitation. Then click on the link. It will bring you to the e-tender website. Then log in into the system. Then you will see a checklist and your submission status. Go to Projects. Then you will notice a pop-up. You can click on the link to view the tenderer guide. At Projects you will see a list of project. Access to the project that is at calling tender stage. Click Open Project. To download tender documents, go to Documents and click Tender Document. Here will be all the tender documents folder. To access to the folder, click Open. To download documents, just click on the file name. Or you can go to Action, click Download Folder. This will download the whole documents. Once you already download all the documents, go to Submit Tender. Here you can view the tender closing date and the status of your submission. Click Tender. Here you can see the 3 checklists. You need to submit the following to complete the tender submission. To prepare the tender rates, click on the BQ editor. This will be the BQ system for you to key in the tender rates. To access the bill elements, double-click the bill. Double-click the element to view items. Here is where you key in your tender rates. Single-click at the rate row, press Enter, key in rates, and press Enter again to save. For PC rate items, double-click at the rate and fill in all the information. Then click Save. For rate-only items, just single-click empty rate row, press Enter, key in rate, and press Enter again to save. For lump sum with percentage items, double-click, key in the percentage. And click Save. For any other items, you are allowed to key in additional items for this tender. The steps is similar. Single-click the empty row, press Enter, key in rate or description, press Enter again to save. For the unit selection, single-click, press Enter, single-click again, select unit from the list, press Enter again to save. Now try to fill in a few rates for this tender. Once you already key in the rate, you can preview in BQ format. Click Element. Click Print BQ. You have the options either to print by elements with or without price or print all elements. To print all, click Print All with Price. Now back to Project Breakdown. Click Reload to view the overall amount. Assuming that you already finalize with the tender rate, you can click Print Finalize BQ to view all rates. You can also print project summary with or without price for your own reference. To submit rate, click Submit Tender. Then back to BuildSpace eProject. To check on the tender submission checklist, go to Submit Tender. Click Tender. From the checklist, tender rates have been submitted. Next is to submit technical evaluation form and technical evaluation attachments. Before that, you can scroll down, view the summary of tender rates submission and tender alternative information. If you are allowed to set a proposed date of completion, you can fill in the information at Contractor Proposal. Fill in the proposed completion period and adjustment percentage. As for project discount, you can do the same step also. Then click Update Tender Rate Information. If you scroll at Tender Alternative Information, you will notice your new tender alternative amount at Tender Alternative B. If you have additional documents to upload for this tender, scroll down to Attachments. Click Add Files. Select Files to upload and click Open. Then click Start Upload. And click Save Attachments. At Attachments, you can see the number of attachments has been uploaded. Repeat the same step to upload additional documents. To preview Form of Tender, click Print Form of Tender. To proceed with Technical Evaluation Form and Technical Evaluation Attachments submission, first, go to Technical Submission, click Form. You are required to answer all questions. You can also add remarks. And click Save. Now to proceed with technical attachments, go to Attachments. For technical evaluation attachments, it is compulsory to upload file that is mandatory. To upload, click Choose File. Then click Upload Attachments. Once tender submission is complete, you will notice a pop-up stating Acknowledgement Letter is ready. To print, click Print Acknowledgement Letter. If you have any query, you can go to Forum. Click Start a new topic. Then key in the title of your query and questions. If you have attachments to share, you can add files. Once you finalize with the query, click Save.